2022 BMW X5. This goes to Immobiliser. If we come round to the front of the vehicle, once we're inside, if we simply start our engine, as you will see, the engine will start itself. If I try to drive, the system will go back to park and it will turn the system off for us. If we restart the engine, it will simply start the engine. We're going to put in our demonstration password. You get 2 flashes of your indicators. As you will see down here. There we go. We can now drive the vehicle. So it goes into gear and it will stay on and running.